Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convinced Crypto, where we keep you in a loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Thursday, everybody. I hope everybody is having a wonderful week. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community. A new report was just released, so today I want to go over the highlights. As always, though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. The Cardano Foundation, the nonprofit arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "Just published our 2024 Financial Insights Report, fully on-chain using Reeve." For anyone unfamiliar with Reeve, they're a secure financial reporting tool, so Cardano is collaborating with them. Here's the highlights. $22.1 million allocated across adoption, education, and resilience. $659.1 million in assets as of December 31st, 2024, and 17.1 million ADA earned via staking. Explore the report at cardanofoundation.org. If you want to read the entire report for yourself, I'll link it down below. Frederick Gregard, the CEO of the Cardano Foundation, made a statement. He stated, "As stewards of an open source ecosystem committed to transparency and accountability, we are pleased to share detailed, verifiable insights into our financial activities on-chain through our recently launched secure financial reporting tool, Reeve." The Cardano Foundation adheres to rigorous governance and financial management principles, ensuring their limited assets are used effectively and prudently. The focus is on maintaining a sustainable balance between costs and income while maximizing impact for the broader ecosystem. I really appreciate the transparency and the use of tools on-chain. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How are you feeling right now about Cardano, and what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!